This is the new BMW 7 Series and it's a technological powerhouse. That means that I don't need to use my own iPad for some tenuous gag at the beginning of this video because the car actually comes with its own personal tablet. So you can use this tablet to control various functions within the car. Now, needless to say, this doesn't come as standard. You have to pay extra for it. In fact, a lot of things I'm about to show you now, you do have to pay extra for, and quite handsomely. We're talking thousands of pounds. So I'll just pull this down and I'll operate the car with this tablet. So we've got some green ambient lighting there. I think I fancy purple. So yes, look, I've changed it to purple. I can also, if I want to, just put on a nice reading light just there. There we go. So I can read the paper and the stocks and shares reports. I can control some other functions as well with this. I can, oh, actually it's a bit sunny today. I think I want to shut out all the light so I can close the blinds. Actually, it's not sunny at all, is it really? It's going to get dark, so I can just reopen them if I want to. Something else I can do, this car has got the upgraded massage seats and I can control that with this. And well, there's a wide range of programs there. And I think I'm going to go for pelvic activation. Oh. Well, actually better stop that and get on with the rest of the review. Now, this is the long wheelbase version of the car. You don't really need it unless you're going to be carrying VIPs, because then, well, I mean, look at this. There's loads of knee room, loads of headroom. Actually, I need to put this back down because I want to control the seat. I can recline this car and it feels super luxurious. If I press this button here, I can control the front passenger seat, push it all the way forward. Obviously, you can have your CEO sat here, aren't you? And yeah, on the whole, very comfy, long wheelbase, or even in the short wheelbase, to be fair. If you need to carry 3 abreast, it's doable. You know, a little bit cramped on headroom. And I think overall, the Mercedes S-Class is better for carrying 3 in the back at once. But really, yeah, there's not much in it. If you click up there, you can actually see our full in-depth practicality review for more information on that. How easy it is to fit a child seat in the back of this 7 Series, and just how much stuff you can fit into the boot. Speaking of which, the boot, now as you'd imagine, with a car of this size, it's absolutely massive. So a saloon is never as practical as a hatchback, but this one does a very good job because the opening's nice and wide, the load lip isn't very big, so it's easy to load things in and out. It's a very flat space, it goes back a long way, it's wide and square, and you can get it with a through loading hatch if you need to carry skis. And on the whole, this boot is more practical than that of its rivals. I was even able to fit a bike in there with its wheels off. Now, there's some useful cubby space in this car as well. We'll move around to the front. And while we do that, we'll take a look at the design because, you know, for me, the 7 Series, it's a big old thing. It looks a bit like an engorged 3 Series. Now, I can't really fault the car so much here on the inside. Actually, let me get rid of this. Remember, I've got to show you that, yeah, cubby spaces, they're good all round in this car. Back to the design. Yeah, it's nice. I like it. It seems very, very upmarket. The design's probably not quite as simplistic as the Mercedes S-Class, but I think the quality is better. I mean, I love this little screen here for your air conditioning system. In fact, as standard, the car gets full zone climate control. You also get stuff like wireless charging for your phone, all around heated seats, but you'd have to pay for this because this car starts from around £63,500. The extended wheelbase version, that's obviously more expensive, and yeah, you can go crazy with the option. You can spend like loads and loads. This thing is actually worth over £100,000, this particular car, which is just bonkers. But there is loads of tech available on it. For instance, there's a new iDrive system, and I love it. So you can control it the usual way there, using this swivel wheel, or you can actually, if you want to, use it as a touch screen. So there we go, I can go through the different menus just by pressing the screen. And there's another thing I can do, I can control it with gestures. So to turn up the volume on the stereo, I can just waggle my finger around and it does that. So there we go. Now, for our full in-depth video review of that infotainment system, you need to click up there. And it's quite a long video because there's so much to tell you about the system. It's just that impressive.
But is the 7 Series as impressive when you hit the road?
Do you know what? It doesn't actually feel like a normal BMW to drive. It's more like a Mercedes, actually. I mean, part of the reason for that is that you get adaptive air suspension as standard, and you can put it into different modes. And I've got it in Comfort Plus, and then it has this really nice, soft, relaxing, floaty effect. though you do feel the odd jolt through bigger bumps, and on rough surfaces it does fidget around a bit more than the super smooth Mercedes S-Class. You can tell that they're really trying to err on the side of comfort with this car. Still, you can press a few buttons and stiffen things up, and even get a system which will read the road ahead using the sat-nav and brace the suspension so your corner nice and flat. But yeah, on the whole, it does just feel a little bit different, a little bit, dare I say it, barge-like. You can also upgrade the cruise control system, so the car will pretty much drive itself, and it can steer you to keep you in lane, though you do have to put your hands back on the wheel occasionally, otherwise it gets cross.
However, you won't get cross cruising in the 7 Series, as it's super relaxing and very quiet.
In terms of engine, you can get 2 petrol or 2 diesel or a hybrid. The best choice for this car is the 730D. This is a 740D X-Drive with all-wheel drive and over 300 horsepower, and it'll get to 0 to 62 miles an hour in just over 5 seconds. Yeah, apparently will return around 52 miles per gallon. Looking at the trip computer, I'm returning 40. That's really impressive. And so too is this automatic gearbox. It's responsive when you want it to be, it's smooth when you want it to be, it's brilliant, and you can change gears yourself using the paddles, though I wouldn't bother. One problem I do have is visibility. Good at the front, good at the back, bit of a blind spot here, but the worst is this. If I move forward, this pillar here is really thick, so when you're pulling out at junctions and looking that way, you're constantly trying to peer around it. Now if you click up there, you can see for yourself by joining me for a 360-degree passenger eye video.
There are some other annoying things about the BMW 7 Series. Here's 5.
This protruding gear selector looks a little bit stupid and phallic. The gesture controls are a bit of a gimmick, and they don't work all that well, plus you look a bit of a tool driving along going like that. These carbon core badges look a little bit naff, and they're even worse when you find out that actually not that much of the car's core is carbon. The car looks so much better with silver accents rather than this black trim, especially as after watching a Motor Trend video, all I see now is a hockey stick. This digital key may seem like an Apple Watch, but oh god, the screen is really laggy.
But there are some super cool things about this car, including what you can do with that key.
You can drive the car forwards and backwards by using the remote control, which is perfect for driving into very tight parking spaces you couldn't get out of, or ghost riding the whip. With the virtual 360-degree cameras, you can look around the car completely. It's a bit like Gran Turismo, this. You can get the car with laser beam headlights, which are so bright, it's like turning on the sun. You can get the car with ionised air conditioning and various scents, so look, I can choose between a waft of pure water pearls or the naturalness of lush grasses. With the BMW Vitality program, you've effectively got a personal trainer in the car with you, so I'll just start it with the tablet. What I have to do is follow the instructions and then press my body into the seat as directed to help build up my muscles and hopefully keep fit. So then, overall, what do I think of the BMW 7 Series? Well, its options are hideously expensive and it looks a little bit nondescript, but it's absolutely lovely on the inside and it's supremely comfy to travel in. Now if you click up there, you can get more information and find out the best deal you can get on a new car at carwow.co.uk. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it and subscribe to our channel. And if you click over there, you can watch our detailed practicality, infotainment and 360-degree passenger eye videos for the BMW 7 Series. Now, did you spot the Easter egg in this video? It was the alarm clock in the car's boot set to 7:40, because the car's a 740D, of course.